My channel. So today's video is a bit different to the other videos that I have done, and that is a makeup tutorial video. This is just how I apply my makeup, etc. I'm no makeup expert artist, I just do makeup for fun. I came across a video on YouTube. It's more like a smoky golden eye look. I've copied that video. I will leave the person's channel. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I done it. It's completely way out of my comfort zone. As you can see, I'm starting off this video without no makeup, which you can see a lot of spots and a lot of blemishes, etc. So please do give me a thumbs up, and I'm just going to get straight on to the video. So the first thing I do before I apply my foundation is I use a PS Pro Illuminating Primer and Perfect. This is by far the best primer I have used so far, and I think it's £5 in Primark. So again, very affordable primer. And then I'm just going to go and put it on section, and then I'm just going to apply that all on my face. I've always wanted to do one of these for a while, but I've never really had the confidence to do it, and I just thought I'm going to do it. What could go wrong? People are going to love it or hate it, they're like Marmite. So the foundation I'm going to be using today, which I would be testing out overnight on my first makeup tutorial, and that is the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. I got this in the shade Rose Ivory, and I haven't even used it yet, so it's like a first kind of impression video as well. And I'm just going to pump that in a bit of my hand, and I've put way too much on my hands. And then I'm just going to put it in small dots around on my face. Oh yeah, please do excuse the bit of pink hair on my head. I tried to do a pink dye the other night from Panland, as you would have seen in my Panland video, and it completely went wrong. And it does washes out, but we all know semi-permanents don't tend to wash out that much. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to blend it all in my face. And I'm actually going to put just a tiny bit more face. That's going to go really well, ain't it? And then I'm just going to, again, just to add a bit more coverage to my face. I actually quite like that. That's quite a good foundation, that one. I'll be using that one again. And then for concealer, I will be using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. This is in the shade Fair One, and this again is my all-time favourite concealer. I absolutely love this concealer, and I just do it under my eyes. I don't really tend to go overly bold with concealer. I do it by my nose, just above my nose lid, and then just a few spots. Straight in, back in with my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to blend that. And now, as that is concealer done, I'm just going to go over it with a pressed powder just to set everything in place, etc. And again, I'm going to be using another new powder, which I will be remembering for the testing video. And that is this L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Perfecting Powder, and this is just in shade number 4 in beige, which I don't think is going to suit my skin tone. And I'm just going to go straight in the brush, try that all over my face. Actually, it's really not a bad powder at all. I really do love that powder. I thought it was going to be very much darker, but it's not. It's absolutely not too dark, etc. I'm really impressed with this makeup look so far. It hasn't made my face look very cakey. It's just set everything all nicely in place, etc. This video is going really well at the minute, and then it's going to go terribly wrong in about 5 minutes. That's generally how these videos start. And then the next thing I apply is contour, and that is just this Master Sculpt contour palette from Maybelline New York. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques contour brush, and then I'm just going to contour, which I probably am doing it wrong. As I said, I'm no makeup artist. I purely just do this for fun. So yeah, that's the contour done. I just like it. It's just quite nice brown contour. It's not too dark, it's just okay for my skin tone. So yeah, quite pleased with that one. And then I'm also going to go straight into bronzer. And I'm not actually quite sure if I should use the bronzer that I've absolutely broken, or the new one I picked up the other day just to test out, which is the George Matte Diva bronzer in shade Caramel. I actually think I might try this one. It's quite a nice browny tone colour. It's perfect for when I have a tan. And again, I'm just going to go back into my powder brush and just contour. Just bronze my face. Oh, that's a bit dark. It has really made my face. Told you, 5 minutes, perfect. Straight into this video, it was going so well. Then apply a bit of bronzer and bang, reapply. It's okay, it's just a tad pigmented, as you can see in the video. It's like I live in Essex. So yeah, that's my contour done, and I think we're a bit too dark, but it's up. I'm not changing it now. For blusher, I'm going to use the number 7 natural blush, and it's just more of a really nice subtle pink colour. And then I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. That blush really stands out my face quite nicely. And yeah, that is my blusher done. And again, it's just a really nice pink blusher, nothing too exciting. And then the next thing I'm going to use is this Benefit Dandelion highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter. It's such a stunning light highlighter. And again, I'm just at the top of my cheekbone. I mean, just about, I absolutely love this highlighter. Probably put a bit too much on, but still, that's me. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same for this side, down my nose. And then I'm just going to apply just a tiny bit with my little finger on the top of my lip. And that is my highlight done. Moving on to the best part of this makeup video, and that is my eyes. I so cannot wait to do my eyes. The look that I came across is absolutely stunning. It's perfect if you're going for a night out, etc. And the palette I will be using today, as you can see, I've been using it as my mirror. And the palette I will be using today is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in Modern Reessence. And then the next shade I'm going to use is Cypress Uva. And I'm just going to put that in the outer corner of my eye and then work it inward, soothing or in, etc. And I have to say, you really do not need loads of product on your brush because it's such a pigmented palette. You really don't need that much. Well, yeah, I was going really well. It's the only thing I have to learn with my outer corner. It's one thing I cannot get right with any look I seem to do. Well, that just looks really bad now, don't it? I mean, just, wow. It's like out there awful. I'm just going to blend this in. Hopefully I can try and save a bit. I don't really want my outer corner that dark right at the minute. That is perfect. And then I'm just going to go straight in the other eye and then just blend that out as much as I can. It looked better the other night, I'm not going to lie, but that's that. We've done it, we move on to the next look. And then I'm going to use the shade Firmer just for the inner corners of my eye, just to give that bit of a highlight. And then I'm going to go straight in and cut my crease with the Lasting Perfection collection. And I'm just going to apply a small bit on my hand. I find applying concealer on my eyes is much better than applying the concealer brush applicator on my eyes. And now that is the concealer set on my eyes, I'm just going to leave that for a minute just so it can just go a bit tacky, etc. And it'll just be easy to apply the next eyeshadow I'm going to use on top. And then once that's gone a bit tacky, I'm going to go straight in and use the shade Prime Eva and just use that on top of the concealer that I've just put on. And the best thing I love about this palette is there is hardly any fallout. Now that's all done, I'm going to do the messy bit because it does tend to go a bit messy, and that is glitter. We're going into glitter. A bit of wax, and I'm just going to put that on top of the glittery eyeshadow that I've just applied. I'm just going to go straight back in and put a bit more of Firmer in my inner corners of my eye. And then I'm going to use a bit more of Cypress Uber and just put a bit more on the outer corners of my eye. And then I'm just going to blend all that in together. So that is my eyes done. A bit of mascara, and 2 mascaras that I'm going to be using today are Maybelline New York, and one of them is Total Temptation and the other one is Lash Sensational. I love these mascaras. So I'm just going to use the Total Temptation for the top, which I really think is dried up now. My top lashes done, and then just before I do my bottom lashes, I just want to do a bit more of the colouring under my eyes. So I'm just going to go straight back in with burnt orange, put that under my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to take a bit more of the Cypress Uber, and then I'm just going to put that under my lower lash line on top of the colour War Sienna, and try not to poke myself in the eye. Then I'm going to go and choose the Lash Sensational mascara and just apply that to the bottom of my lower lash line. So for my eyebrows, which I don't really tend to do anything with my eyebrows, I just colour them a bit in. I don't like them too bulky, I don't like them really big. I'm just going to go straight in and use the Sports Effect brow pencil, and I'm just going to use the scoop a bit, and then I'm going to, this is like more of a blacky sort of colour, but I love it for my eyebrows. And then as I said, I don't really tend to do much with these. See, told you. Start of the video go really well, and then towards the end it just goes tips up. That's not even an eyebrow, and it is just a very wonky looking eyebrow. That's all I have to say about it. We might actually be able to do an eyebrow this side. I've seriously got to get these done. They are just not going to how I want them to go. They've never gone this way before. It's always a way when I try and do a video and it just does not go how I want it to go, which is always the way. They are pretty terrible. I'm not going to lie. They are the worst eyebrows I've ever done in my life. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Push Up, and this is by far my favourite NYX shade. And that is my Smokey Gold makeup eye tutorial look. Please do excuse the horrible eyebrows. I mean, yeah, that is just like, this video was going so well and it's just gone down like that. But this is just how I apply my makeup on a day-to-day basis. Not the eyes, I tend to go for more of a settle, pastel, nudie eye look. This is just more going out sort of eye look I thought I would create. And yeah, I don't think it turned out that bad. I really do love the eye look, but just excuse the bushy, outgrown eyebrows that really needs to be done. I love the bronzer. I thought that was really well once obviously I blended it out. It was so dark. The contour, it actually went really well, except from the eyebrows. I mean, that's just one thing that I thought would not absolutely tip up. I thought the eye go really wrong in this video, but it seems to be the opposite way around. It seems to be my eyebrows, and they are really pretty. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. That is this makeup look. Please do give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and if there's any other makeup tutorials you'd like me to do, any look, throw them at me, see if I can try and do the look, then please do comment in the comment box. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!